Hi friends. So today discuss about MySQL interview question and answers. So this is wrong channel. No problem, कोई बात नहीं. So I am discuss about MySQL interview question and answers. So firstly, fresher level. What is MySQL? MySQL is an open source relational database management system (RDBMS) and use SQL structure query. SQL की full form है structured query language to manage data. What are different type of databases? Relational database, MySQL, Postgres, SQL, Oracle, and NoSQL database, MongoDB, Redis, Kendra. So in memory databases, Redis, and Mem Memcached, Cloud Database, AWS, RDS, Google, Cloud SQL, Cloud and SQL. What is the difference between MySQL and SQL? SQL structured query language is a language used to interact with relational databases, and MySQL is an RDBMS and that implements SQL for database management. And what are the different data type in MySQL? So string, varchar, text, and char. Okay. Numeric int, decimal and float. Date time, date, date time, time step. So boolean 0 equal false and 1 equal true. So what is the difference between char and varchar? So char and fixed length storage, easy char 10, always storage 10 characters, and varchar variable length storage, uh, and varchar 10 storage only actual characters used. And 6, what is the primary key? What is a primary key? A primary key is a unique identifier for a record in table. It cannot contain null values and must be unique. So what is a foreign key? Answer: foreign key is a column that is a relationship between two tables by referring to the primary key of another table, intermediate level. So what is the difference between inner join and left join? So inner join return only matching rows and from both tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table and the matching rows from right table. If if there is no match, null is returned. How do you optimize a SQL query? Use index to speed up searches and avoid select star. Fetch only required columns and use explain to analyze query performance. Optimize join operations by foreign keys. So use proper normalization, use indexing strategies. So what is an index in MySQL. Answer: an index is a data structure that improve the speed of data retrieval to work like an index in a book to find pages quickly. Type of index in MySQL. So primary index automatically created on the primary key. Primary index क्या करता है automatically created on primary key. Index. A unique index ensure all values in a column are unique. Full text index used for searching text. Composite index. Multiple columns in one index. What is the difference between delete, truncate and drop? So delete remove rows but keeps the table structure can be rolled back, and truncate remove removes all rows but keeps the table structure cannot be rolled back. Cannot be rolled back नहीं कर सकते but drop deletes the table and structure permanently. So how do you prepare SQL injection in MySQL? So use paired statement and parameterize queries, sanitize user, and for executing queries. So restrict database user privileges. So use web application firewall walls. What is storage procedure? So a stored procedure is a set of SQL statements stored in database that can be executed as a program. So it it improves efficiency and security. So advanced level. What is the difference between my my ISAM and InnoDB storage engine? My ISAM. So my ISAM faster read operation and no foreign key constraint does not support transaction. So InnoDB supports transaction, foreign keys, and row level looking. So what is ACID and MySQL? So automatically transaction are all or not nothing. Consistency ensure valid database state after a transaction. Isolation transaction do not interfere with each other. Durability committed transaction are permanently saved. What is a deadlock in MySQL? So a deadlock occurs when two transactions wait if identity for resource looked by each other. How to handle a deadlock? So use indexing to optimize queries, keep transactions short and simple. So use log timeout to avoid infinite waits. So commit transaction as soon as possible. What is the difference between union and union all? So union combines result from two queries but remove duplicates, and union all combines results from two queries including duplicates. So what is the trigger in MySQL? So a trigger is an event driven and stored procedure and returns automatically before or not or after insert, update or delete operations. So what is replication in SQL? Replication allow copying data and MySQL server to another slave used for load balancing and backup. How do you perform SQL? MySQL performance tuning. So use query optimization technique, explain size, optimize index and indexes and foreign keys. Use caching mechanism like Redis or memcached. So tune MySQL server settings in NoDB, buffer pool and size, query cache size. So what is the difference between horizontal and vertical scaling? So now horizontal scaling adding more server to distribute the database load, and vertical scaling increasing hardware resource CPU RAM of existing database server. So how to implement full text search in MySQL? So use the full text index, perform searches using match against, support Boolean mode and natural language mode. So what is the difference between cluster and non-cluster index? Cluster index determine the physical order of data only per table. Non-cluster index does not change data order uh, but create the separate structure for faster lookups. So this is the most important question and very important question, MySQL question. Okay, so now discuss about uh, MySQL interview question. So thank you, my friends. I hope you prepare MySQL interview. So thank you, my friends, and like and subscribe जरूर करें. Thank you so much, my